All right. So this is a short video which I want to share. As I shared earlier, so I'm teaching or trying to teach whatever I'm learning as I'm going. So mocking has always been a struggle for me. So as I shared this, but getting this all together was not easy. And I used a tool called Google Notebook LLM that has really helped me to get what I want to do. So, so first of all, I added all these sources. So there are different sources which will all be in the description. You can take a look and add. So there were different sites which was helpful for me to watch, and there were some also PDF documents which I got from those sites. Everything will be in the description. And then I just gave a bunch of questions. So if you see here, there is a whole tutorial. The text doesn't come up correctly because it's more of a lab thing which they did. Let me make this bigger. Can I collapse? Okay, great. So, so you can see the functions which I wrote were coming from here. So it gave me a step-by-step diagram or like understanding of what I can learn from it. And I have been reading it and it's been great. And you can use it for another thing. And you can ask any questions based on those documents which you gave. So it's not gonna hallucinate with random values of or information which you never knew. So let's say I want to know difference. Okay, I don't want to shout at it. Mock and patch. So it will start creating those data, and I can give up to 50 sources. I don't know how it will handle it, but it starts giving me the value as I'm expecting it. And you can see it's giving me the exact value as needed. And then the best part of this is, which I don't think I'll use a lot, but you can for any research aspect, you can use the audio, you can create FAQs, which is it's creating, you can create briefing docs, study guide, or however you want. It looks better on the chat right now. When it creates a briefing guide, it sometimes doesn't get the format correctly, which I still have to investigate why it happens. But if I look at Studio here, they created a audio overview, which is like a podcast.
Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive. This time we're
Slow your test down a lot, you can mock time.sleep to return instantly.
okay.
So you can understand how you can just listen to this podcast and get more details. It's not very easy for programming to listen to podcasts and easily understand unless you're doing it, but it gives you much better summary. So this was how I wrote that whole previous video which I gave, but I just wanted to share. Notebook LLM is an amazing tool, and I think a lot of people should be using it. I feel whatever I'm going to teach next, I'm going to use it unless there are better AI tools out there which I can use for free. I'm using everything for free right now because that's all I can afford. But AI is great, and that's what I'm going to continue using. So thank you.